Here's my review with the Angry Birds, and I got some from the Tooth Fairy and for my birthday and for Little Bear. And one I got is this one. It's supposed to be the yellow bird, but it's not. They twisted it out. This is the small Angry Bird Space. You can see right here, there's Angry Bird. So here's one Space Bird, and here's another one. You guys will like it. This one I just got from today, so it doesn't have the tag off yet. It's Angry Bird Space. And still another one, this kind, and I don't know why he wants it, or just because it's cool. And so now it says the Orange Bird, and it is a cool one too, but you have to get 2 of them. Here's the iceberg. Here's the one that I got for my birthday. That is the White Bird. I don't know what it's made out of, but it's from a friend that gifted it to me. So, here's that one. Now, we got the Bomber, the one that blows up. And we got the Angry Bird pillow from Angry Bird. And the Angry Bird blanket. There's the Bomber on it to keep me warm. And we have 3 more. Got the pig from the keychain. Got the yellow bird from the keychain. And we got the blue bird. I know that some people know what this tower is, but some people don't know. It splits up into 3, so you need 3 more birds. Well, you need 2 more birds to make it split up to 3. So those are all the Angry Birds I have right now. I don't have any more. Well, maybe another day I'll maybe get some more. So that's all. These are all the ones I have. I have 9 Angry Bird things. So I hope you like it.